So the main issues I'm having at home is the Wi-Fi coverage and the speed. So when I'm in the living room with my family, trying to watch any videos, it's constantly buffering. Don't even think about 4K contents. And then when we're at night, my wife is trying to stream YouTube videos in bed. Again, she's constantly complaining to me that it is buffering. And then my kids are telling me that the games keep lagging out. So ASUS, please help me.
Oh yes, and the people with big houses, we've got you covered. With ASUS AiMesh, we have an innovative feature that connects multiple ASUS routers to create a whole home Wi-Fi network. It's a flexible and scalable solution that enables you to mix different ASUS router models. So when it comes time to upgrade your network, you don't need to get rid of your existing hardware. Whenever you need more coverage or want new functionality, just add another compatible ASUS router to your AiMesh network at any time. That's not all. Majority of our routers feature an AI protection and parental control. This makes the internet a safer place for everybody. And best of all, it's free of charge. The house owner has a 3-story house and the main router is in the master bedroom. Anywhere else they try to connect, they'll receive a weak signal or no connection at all. His living room has a weak Wi-Fi signal and the connection is very unstable and very slow. Their home office is quite far from the router and no Wi-Fi signal can be found here. The guest bedroom also has a terrible Wi-Fi connection speeds. Today, it'll be our mission to ensure great signal and speed delivered through the whole house to create the best whole home Wi-Fi experience. Okay, so we've made some changes to your home. I can see you've got 25 devices connected to your network here. So we've put a master router here and we've added a node on the lower level and another node on the family room up here next to the TV. So this should allow for all your streaming content and gaming to run flawlessly now. So I'll come back in 1 week's time and see the progress and how everything's working, and if you could give me some feedback, that'd be awesome.
Okay, sounds great. Thank you so much.
Thanks, mate. Okay, Eli, so it's been 1 week since the install. I just wanted to gather some feedback on how everything's running for you.
Yeah, it's been running great. I can stream all my 4K content without it buffering. My kids are playing games and they haven't complained to me yet, so that's always really great. And my wife can stream all her YouTube in bed, so that's been great.
That's great, mate. So, out of curiosity, would you recommend ASUS AiMesh to anyone?
Absolutely.
Well, that's good to hear.